Hey everybody, I'm Ken and this is Ken's Guitar Workshop, and I'm going to give away a set of plans for a 58 Explorer. So you've been thinking about building your own guitar for a while? You've been watching all the guys on YouTube building guitars and drooling over the work they do and getting the itch to try it yourself? Well, I got a set of plans for a 58 Explorer with actually both headstock shapes. You know, you got the hockey stick and you got that sort of V-shaped thing. And just leave a comment about why you want to build your own guitar and how long you've been thinking about it. And I'm going to pick somebody out of the comments, and I will email you the PDF file, and you could throw that on a thumb drive and take it to like your Staples store or something and have them printed out full size for you, and you can make your templates for your first guitar. You've seen me make templates out of plans. It's pretty easy. So leave a comment, and then I'll pick somebody. So until you see you in the next video, you guys behave yourself. Peace.